Good morning. We are coming in to the Dominican Republic. Guys. Hi. Country number 17. Can you tell we're tourists? We're like the only people stopping and taking pictures. It's so pretty. I can't get over this. Good morning, vlog from the Dominican Republic. Hello. Okay, never mind. We have our tickets for our tour, but it doesn't leave for like 30 minutes. But we're doing zip lines and waterfall slides today. We're very excited. I borrowed this shirt from Caroline because I didn't bring any other t-shirts. So I'm repping NC State. And yeah, we're really excited. So hopefully I get to bring my GoPro with me because I'm not entirely sure. But obviously I want to vlog it so you know what it's like. But yeah.
I'll get one too.
I know.
Set it up.
I don't know where we'd set it up.
It's right here.
I need that for the vlog.
Look at the cows.
I hope you're not talking about me.
Here we are, vlog, ready.
She's like, it's so
We're ready. We've got our closed-toed shoes, life jacket, helmet, and water bottle, and GoPro, obviously.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Damajagua.
So this tour is advertised as starting with a 45-minute hike to get to the zip lines. Don't let that intimidate you and keep you from booking though. The hardest part was just the stairs, obviously, but the rest of the path was pretty much flat, and the team already had lots of group breaks worked into the time for us.
Hello, 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 chica. Vamos, arriba, arriba. Woo! Eso. Welcome to my gym family. Vamos, 5 more minutes. Dominican time.
One eternity later.
Hello, hello, hello. Vamos, no more hiking family, no more. Yeah, finish. Vamos, 5 more minutes. Dominican time.
Okay, ready to zip. There it is.
ready.
Yeah, she was like on steps, and he was like, oh.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Sit down, please.
Okay.
Lean back and feet up.
Okay. She was ready. I know, I'm ready.
Sit down, please. Lean back and feet up. Lean back and feet up.
way you can film Kaylee.
Hasta la vista, baby! This one's longer. That's funny. Kaylee got stuck. So much footage of you standing here. Hasta la vista, baby! Hola. Yes. Oh, thank you. Good, how are you?
Thank you.
Ooh, a fun little bridge. Woohoo! Ooh, there's like a waterfall. Oh, that's where you can jump, but they won't let us jump. Yeah, it's like right down here.
Pretty tree.
Look at them.
Gracias.
I also got stuck.
I started going back and I was like, oh no.
I don't know how all that happened, but
And he was like, I got you. Ooh, this one looks nice.
I know it's over a creek. Whoa.
It's good.
Yeah, queso.
Good. You want to say hi?
Ay, 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 queso.
Están feliz. Hola.
Señorita. Hola, hola.
Oh, they are jumping.
It must be a different food.
Oh. That's ours, Kaylee. Oh wait, no, ours goes over there. You're right. Yeah. We don't get to jump vlog because Carnival doesn't want us to. So I don't think that's ours. Oh, we go up there, I think. No, we think that's not ours. We think that's a different cruise group. We're not sure though.
That's a big jump.
I know. Okay, guys. We're ready to dip.
Okay, ready? I had so much fun sitting and dipping, but I did not jump at all.
Hasta la pista, baby. Lean forward.
Okay, forward.
Lean forward. Together. Yeah, excelente. Excelente. Lean forward.
It's kind of deep right there. That's so fun! Where did he go? He's just gone. Sure that I did record a vlog clip at the end of this excursion of all of us kind of talking about our thoughts. However, I did lose some of the footage from this day. I don't think you can really tell in the video, but I think I lost that crucial piece of footage. So I'm gonna do a voiceover real quick while I show you the cute photos that they took for us. By the way, this was an additional cost. They gave it to us at the end and the three of us split it. I want to say it was like $15 each. Overall, I thought it was really fun and worth the money. We had debated doing just the waterfalls and then we saw the option with the zip line and it was only $15 more. Highly recommend doing that because I think that made it like well worth it. I loved the natural water slides. They were so cool and fun and I could have done those all day. My only complaint would be that I feel like we were rushed out of them at the end. We ended in a pretty large pool, which you'll see in the photos near the end of the montage, and I wish we could have like just stayed and hung out there a little bit, take some pictures and swim around in the water since we were finally adjusted, but immediately they were like, okay, it's time to go back to the bus. Out of 5 stars, I would rate it a 4.5, and I asked Caroline and Kaylee too, and Kaylee said a 4.5 and Caroline said a 4.9. Could probably fit on that bed.
Hi vlog. It's been quite some time since I've talked to you. I don't remember the last time I talked to you, but we got back on the ship, got food, and then laid out until we departed and we watched it from the pool, and then we were moving around trying to find good spots, and we finally got this bed for all three of us. So we're very excited. The vibes are great. It's 4:40. So we are on our way to Puerto Rico, and we will not be leaving this bed until further notice.
All right, tiebreaker.
You're right.
After 10 seasons, how many episodes were there? Closest one. The one to the closest answer. Your answer, my friend? Your answer, my friend? All right, the answer is 252, 245.
10 seasons.
The correct answer is 236.
Oh!
What's your name, my friend? Tessa from? Tessa from North Carolina, everybody. Show some love. What's your name, my friend? Sarah from? Sarah from Boston. Make some noise. Walking away with a Carnival medal, courtesy of the Fun Squad. You both walk away with a prize. Once again, if you hated this trivia, my name is Lee Mason. If you know this trivia, my name is Sunshine. St. Peace, Chicken Wings. Good night.